Right, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the Linnean classification system, and we'll have a quick look at biodiversity as well. So this image here, this is the classification system. So we go from kingdom all the way up to species. Now, a good acronym to remember this one is King Philip came over for good soup. Okay, so if you remember that, then you can remember the classification system. And we have an example on the right here. So this is looking at humans, actually, Homo sapiens. So we're part of the animal kingdom, chordate phylum. You don't have to remember this. This is just an example. All right, and that's how it works. There's not really much more to it. So now we'll start talking about biodiversity. So what is biodiversity? Well, a simple definition for biodiversity is the range of living organisms and their environment. Okay, so range of living organisms and their environment. Now we'll learn in future videos relating to this topic, but there's different ways to measure biodiversity, and there's also different ways that biodiversity can be affected within an ecosystem. Okay, but that is kind of the brief definition of it and an introduction to the classification system.